wake me up when the sun goes down. Feelings right, you.
Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you're all doing good. So today I'm going to do this makeup look right here. So let's get started.
I can't help it, baby, not myself when the sun goes down.
So taking my Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 palette, I'm going to take this beautiful, pretty, almost peach kind of shade and I'm going to apply it in the crease of my eyes. Next I'm going to take like a more pinkish color and I'm going to apply it over the previous color. Next I'm going to take this beautiful red and apply it in the crease of my eyes and not spreading it. Next I'm taking a blending brush and not adding any more color, I'm blending the colors. I'm also adding the red color in my bottom lash line. Next I'm taking my Smashbox palette and taking this maroonish shade. I'm going to apply it mainly on the outer corners of my eyes and then slowly blending it inwards. Next I'm taking some loose powder and applying it under my eyes. Next I'm going to take this whitish silver shade and apply it in the inner third of my eyes. And then taking this Miss Claire Shimmer Dust, I'm going to apply it on top of that color. And this is a beautiful, beautiful silver shimmer dust. Next I'm wiping out all the excess powder. Taking this kajal, I'm going to apply it on my upper lash line and my lower lash line. Then I'm curling my eyelashes and applying mascara. So I applied my false eyelashes here. So for lipstick, I first took this color and was not very happy with it. So I wiped it out and applied this Lakme Absolute lip color and topped it off with this Miss Claire lip cream just in the center of the lips and dabbed it with my fingers. This is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and if you like it, please like, share my video and comment on this video. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.
Sleepless nights, you wake me up when the sun goes down.